In front of me is Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check out specifications of this device. First of all, you need to access Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck. After that, get this free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!